Welcome to this tutorial on how to export a sheet in Excel or CSV format. To export the sheet, click the three-dot option icon on the sheet. This will open the Sheet Options page. Click Export as Excel to export the sheet in Excel format. Now select the application where you want to export your sheet. The file has been successfully exported in Excel format. Now let's export the sheet in CSV format. Click the three-dot option icon, then select Export as CSV from the sheet options. And that's it, the file has been successfully exported in CSV format. I hope you now understand how to export a file in both CSV and Excel formats. See you in the next video.